Kitty.
Compared to everyone else, like he's one of the
Kitty. Kitty.
This is big.
Hi.
Yeah, they're all friendly, so.
I wish we could have pets right now.
Say again?
I wish we could have pets right now. Why is that one shaking?
Which one? This one?
The black and white.
Yeah, she was just being held by a couple of strangers, so she might be recovering.
What kind is that?
Is it pitbull?
Oh, they're cute. How old is How old? You are noisy. Oh, look at those paws. Oh.
I just have so many feelings about everything.
So is he for sale?
Come here, baby. Pebbles, here.
I'm not too sure. I'd have to check her paperwork. She just came in like 5 minutes ago.
This is our stuff.
Of course, sniff, sniff, sniff. Look. Oh, you need a loving home. Pretty girl.
Tails.
Look at those eyes.
And she's so pretty.
Let them sad.